Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Galaxy S10e battery is probably one of the most crucial components for any smartphone user, especially for a device like the Samsung Galaxy S10e, which, while compact and powerful, can sometimes struggle with battery longevity under heavy usage, making a reliable and long-lasting battery not just a convenience but a necessity for those who depend on their phone throughout the day for work, communication, and entertainment without constantly searching for a power outlet. Number 5. KWMOBILE case for Samsung Galaxy S10e. This case is specifically designed to be compatible with your Samsung Galaxy S10e. It offers a precise fit, ensuring all buttons and ports are easily accessible. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip thanks to the soft touch silicone finish. It feels great in your hand and helps prevent accidental slips. The durable silicone material provides excellent protection against everyday bumps, drops, and scratches. Keep your phone looking new for longer. With precise cutouts, you can easily access all the buttons, ports, and the camera without removing the case. Functionality is never compromised. Add a touch of personal style to your device with this eye-catching violet-purple case. It's a great way to express yourself and protect your phone. The special coating on this case helps to resist fingerprints, keeping your phone looking clean and smudge-free with minimal effort. What we like. This case offers a comfortable, non-slip grip and excellent protection against drops. If you're looking for a stylish way to keep your phone safe from everyday bumps and scratches, this is a great choice. Its soft finish feels good in your hand and resists fingerprints. What people say. The battery life is good. It holds a charge for a long time. Number 4. FLYLEAD 90W USB-C PD and QC 3.0 car charger. Experience blazing fast charging with our 90W car charger. It delivers up to 45W through the built-in coiled cable, perfect for the latest iPhones and Samsung devices. Plus, it offers PD and QC 3.0 ports for all your other gadgets. Never forget a cable again. This charger features a convenient 5-foot retractable coiled cable with 45W fast charging. It keeps your car tidy and ensures your phone is always ready to go. Need to charge more than one device? No problem. With multiple ports, you can power up your phone, tablet, and other USB power devices all at once. It's compatible with all 12-24V vehicles. Charge with confidence thanks to intelligent power management and multiple safety features. It's built with overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating protection, ensuring a safe and reliable charge every time. Locate the charging port easily, even at night. Our exclusive rainbow indicator light provides a subtle glow, making it simple to plug in your devices. Its compact design fits perfectly in your car's port. This charger is designed to work with a wide range of devices, including the latest iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones, Google Pixels, iPads, and more. It's the perfect companion for all your mobile charging needs on the road. What we like. Need to charge multiple devices quickly on the go. This car charger boasts a powerful 90W output and a convenient built-in coiled cable. If you're often traveling with companions or need to keep all your gadgets powered up during long drives, this is the ultimate solution for a stress-free journey. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting all day with heavy use. The battery charges quickly, both wirelessly and with a cable. The battery capacity is sufficient for a full day of moderate usage. Number 3. Euhan upgraded 4300 mAh battery for Galaxy S8 Plus. Is your Galaxy S8 Plus battery draining too quickly? Give your phone a new lease on life with our upgraded replacement battery. Experience extended usage with this 4300 mAh polymer battery. It's designed to keep you powered up for longer throughout your day. This battery is specifically designed for seamless compatibility with your Galaxy S8 Plus. Enjoy a perfect fit and reliable performance. We've included a complete repair tools kit to make the replacement process straightforward. You'll have everything you need to get started. Don't let a weak battery hold you back. Upgrade to this high-capacity replacement and enjoy your device to its fullest potential again. What we like. Is your old phone struggling to hold a charge? This upgraded battery offers a significant capacity boost for your Galaxy S8 Plus. If you're looking to revive your device and extend its daily usage without constant charging, this replacement is a solid option, especially with the included tools for an easier DIY fix. What people say. The battery life is great, lasts all day with heavy use. The battery charges quickly, both wired and wireless. The battery capacity is sufficient for a full day of moderate usage. Number 2. Green Fusion Galaxy S10e Battery Replacement. Ensure your phone stays powered up with our high-quality replacement battery. It's designed specifically for your Samsung Galaxy S10e, guaranteeing a perfect fit. Experience renewed performance with a brand new battery cell. It's built to last, providing you with long-lasting power for your daily needs. Replacing your battery is now simpler than ever. With pre-installed adhesive and a detailed instruction manual, you can easily do it yourself. This kit includes a comprehensive toolkit with all the professional, safe, and easy-to-use tools required for a successful repair. Don't let a worn-out battery hold you back. Get this replacement and enjoy your phone's full potential again. For best results, remember to complete at least 3 full charging and discharging cycles. This helps calibrate the new battery for optimal longevity. What we like. Give your Galaxy S10e a new lease on life with this brand new battery. It features a 0-cycle count for optimal performance and comes with pre-installed adhesive and a clear instruction manual. If you're comfortable with a DIY repair and want to restore your phone's battery health, this kit makes the process straightforward and effective. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting all day with heavy use. It charges very quickly, both wired and wirelessly. The battery capacity is sufficient for a full day's use, even with moderate gaming. Number 1. VIIMON S10e Battery Replacement Kit for Samsung Galaxy S10e. Is your Samsung Galaxy S10e battery losing its charge? This is the brand new, upgraded replacement kit designed specifically for your device. This kit is compatible with all Samsung Galaxy S10e SM G970 models. Please ensure your phone model matches before purchasing. Experience OEM quality with battery cells that ensure safety and optimal performance. It features multiple protections against overcharging and overheating, plus a built-in microchip for safe charging and extended battery life. Installation is made simple with the included professional repair toolkit and a detailed manual. The battery adhesive is also pre-installed for your convenience. For best results, fully charge and discharge your new battery 3 to 5 cycles to optimize its capacity. This ensures you get the most out of your replacement. We stand by our product with a 12-month warranty and 24-hour customer support. Your satisfaction with VIIMON is our priority. What we like. Restore your Samsung Galaxy S10e to its former glory with this high-quality replacement battery kit. Featuring OEM cells and a 0-cycle count, it ensures safe and reliable performance. If you're looking for a dependable solution to battery degradation and want a complete set of tools and instructions for a smooth installation, this kit is designed for you. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting all day with heavy use. It charges very quickly, both wirelessly and with a cable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.